This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Gayla Covey less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957, LIC number 019497773. Make this your home for the holidays in Phoenix Lake Country Club Estates. Home faces the driveway instead of the street for plenty of privacy. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath home has a nice open floor plan with a living room and family room. A spacious kitchen and open dining room with built-in cabinets. The upgraded plantation shutters and dual-pane windows are energy efficient. Lots of privacy to enjoy the backyard from the screened-in porch or outside in the large patio area. Attached, oversized 2-car garage and extra RV parking with hookups. Perfect location just minutes from downtown Sonora. Rules for entry: https://realtors.org/wp-content/uploads/2020/05/ all entrance notice and pictogram sign 52620.pd. For more information, review the details below or contact Gayla Covey less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957, LIC number 019497773 at 209-532-6993.